Configure depot storage rates with free day limits. Storage charges management begins in the Trade Masters module to define warehouse overhead costs. The Trade Masters menu centralizes all logistical and product-specific cost parameters. The storage charges listing provides a comprehensive overview of extra charges rates across different terminals with no free day storage limit. Creating a new entry establishes the financial rules for specific depot locations. Product identifies the specific commodity subject to these storage terms. Terminal defines the physical location where these specific rates apply. UOM sets the unit of measure used for calculating volume-based fees. Free days determines the grace period before daily storage penalties accrue. Charges specifies the daily monetary rate applied once the free period expires. Saving the configuration updates the system and enforces these rates for future transactions. The updated list confirms the new rate structure is active for the product. Proper charge definition ensures accurate automated billing for KPC penalties once free days are exceeded and protects operational margins. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.